Hi everyone, this is day 2. We all woke up at 4 in the morning and we were really excited as we were going to Khijadiya Bird Sanctuary followed by Narara Reef. So by 5 am we were on the road heading for Khijadiya Bird Sanctuary. We all witnessed a beautiful and a breathtaking sunrise, nature at its finest for real. We all were surrounded by chirping birds and stunning views.
Say what you wanna say to
So this bird sanctuary is actually located in the Jamnagar district of Gujarat, and about 300 species of birds have been recorded here so far. So the sanctuary is actually quite unique. It has fresh water, it has marshlands, it has lakes, and it is spread over an area of 6.5 kilometer per square. It is divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2, mainly dividing salt waters and fresh waters.
say
Like I said earlier, the sunrise was breathtaking. Now we all started taking photos. Fit check part 2, sun kissed. Fit check part 3.
wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Anyways, she is the birthday girl.
Me.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Wow, so sweet.
We got
We got done with
bird watching
Yes.
and now we're headed back.
We are
to
going
the bus and we might just go to sleep.
Yes.
And we're gonna sleep.
We'll rest. Then we are gonna go ahead to walk on reef.
Okay, bye bye. Toodle.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with
These are the birds that we saw, and these are all the pictures that we all clicked. This is not just my pictures, these are of my friends as well that I've added.
and do nothing at all. So what? So what? If you're stupid, then you know there's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning. I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're
So Khijadiya Bird Sanctuary is a must-visit destination for all those who love birds, wildlife and nature.
falling in love.
And to make most of your visit, I would suggest that you visit this sanctuary from November onwards till February, because this is when most of the birds, migratory birds, flock to the sanctuary.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me.
And then we headed for lunch.
I wanna wake up with you.
So we all arrived at Narara Reef in the afternoon around 3 o'clock. This is a low tide, and tide timing is a very important factor when you are visiting a seashore. So in order to visit this place, you first have to take a permission from the forest department. Personal advice, definitely carry water bottles, sunscreens, caps, goggles to protect yourself from sunburn. So we came back to our hotels in the evening around 7 o'clock, and then we went out for shopping and for dinner.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
By 11:30, we left for Burj, That is our next adventure and day 3.
Pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.